We need to talk about heartbeat viability and why it's full of shit. Anti-abortion activists use it as a marker of when abortion bans should start. On average, a fetal heartbeat can be detected between 6 and 7 weeks. It should be noted, however, there's some discrepancy about whether what's detected is actually a heartbeat, but that's a different video. Many of the states with abortion bans use that time frame as the start of their bans, before most people know they're pregnant, mind you. This reasoning is especially bad for people experiencing miscarriages. The heartbeat of a non-viable fetus can continue, which in states with bans that often stipulate if a heartbeat is detected, abortions cannot proceed, prevents medical professionals from being able to do their jobs. Just as every pregnancy is unique, so are miscarriages. Miscarriage is an umbrella term to describe a spontaneous end to a pregnancy, according to Dr. Robin Wallace, a medical advisor at Planned Parenthood. Take Avery Davis Bell out of Georgia. She miscarried at 18 weeks pregnant, long before a fetus could survive outside the womb, even with the best medical care. But because a fetal heartbeat was detected, she had to wait hours, getting sicker and sicker, until she qualified under the state's slim exceptions for an emergency abortion to save the life of the mother. The right have just taken the word abortion and demonized it so much that people don't really know what it means. It's a simple medical procedure that they've assigned morality to. So for the gazillionth time, let's leave the medical decisions to medical professionals, not zealots with vendettas against women.